Voice clear, sir? Okay. Good evening, sir. So as we were discussing today there was Bank Nifty little bit. It is trading on the negative side. So don't worry about that part. It is trading on negative side, or some people will say that reversal is coming in market. So every assumptions are being made. But what my point of view is there, as on the weekends there were TCS results were declared. And if you can see today, there was a day of Nifty IT. I'll just jump into Nifty IT chart for the preference. That is Nifty IT. Let's check out Nifty IT one. See, there was a huge gap up and the breakout on the upside. So technically, one of the important point which everyone should know, that IT and banking sectors are inverse relation. If IT will run, then banks won't perform, and if IT is not running, then banks will outperform. So today, actually, what happened? TCS gave good result and TCS gave a gap up opening. So due to that part, bank shares was weak. Okay, so there is nothing to worry. There was an open high and something in that today also almost near a open high, that is 32,280. So now the current scenario, what we have to do? Bank Nifty, as I said last time, there was a bullish engulfing in daily chart. This one. This is known as a bullish engulfing candle. If we'll see it, it came down. It exactly again today took support near that candle itself. The high of that candle of the bullish candle was somewhere near, if you will see, 31,767, and today low is near that only strike. That today low is 31,836, means 31,800 is acting as support. So now in market 31,800 put writers are active. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to simply, if market is again going to retest such levels, so our buying zone will be in 31,500 to 31,800. But as a breakout trader, if in such markets, because currently we are in a overbought market and markets are running like in a full-fledged way, so as a breakout trader, what I'll prefer, I'll wait for a breakout level. That will be simple. From last 2 or 3 days, there is a sell-off zone near 32,300. This one, the line which I am marking. So any movement above this level, 32,300, will see some good up move in Bank Nifty. So for like heavy quantity or for a breakout trade, I'll wait for 32,300 level to break. That is today's high, that is 32,288. If once it sustains above 32,300 level, then I can simply expect a 700 to 1000 points rally from here again. Okay, again I'm bullish on Bank Nifty. I'll use dips instead of selling Bank Nifty. I'll use dips. But if today's low will breach, then I'll see what we have to do tomorrow. For like safety trade, buy above level will be the best. Level is 32,300. Okay, now we'll jump into the Nifty part. Today, Nifty index was outperforming. It was a good, it is moving on the upside. So all the devotions come from TCS, IT sector. Whereas on the other side, Reliance is bearish and it is making new swing lows. So now either IT or either pharma, they'll outperform. Or if banks outperform, then these two sectors will be on the what we say consolidation mode. Okay, so currently if you will see Nifty chart, we'll have a look on 15 minutes chart or 30 minutes. Let's jump to the 30 minutes time frame. It's simply this one. Nifty is trading in a normal zone. Some gaps are being made. What we have to do simply in this part. Today's candle was a gap up candle. After gap up candle, there was a dip in market. Suddenly that dip is bought. Again, market went towards new high. Again today FIAs are net buyers. So what I feel that as long as upside new highs are being made, it's better to just ride the longs instead of sorting every what every retail trader right now doing. They're just trying to find a reversal or they are just putting their money into puts. But what I feel, what I suggest, don't go short. Just go on the long side with trailing SL, or either go on the long side with little bit cautiousness. Just ride the trend. What I'll say, it's a clear bull trend. Everyone is riding this trend. So simple thing, as long as FII is our buyer, we don't have to sort index. So currently in my point of view in Nifty, I'll simply go long anytime whenever previous swing high will get breached. So if you'll see in chart, today's highs market almost closed at the highs. So 14,500 is acting at resistance right now. Any any move above 14,500 in Nifty and market is sustaining there, then we can expect the levels of 15,000 anytime. Okay. One of my pick, which I'll say here for tomorrow, that will be ACC Limited. ACC Limited has given a breakout or it is almost on the verge of breakout. So currently it is at 1787. So if today's high will get breached, and technically it has given a breakout and it has given a close also above previous levels. But tomorrow, if it will take today's high, then we can see ACC moving like 70 to 80 points from here. It is a weekly breakout also. I'll show you what is happening here. This one, see. Earlier two times we have seen, I'll just mark the sell-off zone here. This one. This is a supply zone, if we'll see. And ACC managed to close above this supply zone for the first time. Okay, so this supply zone, it has managed to close above this supply zone easily. In fact, it closed above previous resistance of this one. This level I am marking right here, it closed above that level also. So from here, it is simply clear the next level in ACC is coming. I can expect from here easily 1857 level. That is the previous swing high of 2017 or 18. So we can expect 100 to 150 points move in ACC from that current level. So before taking any trade, please consult your financial advisor. And one of my another breakout pick, I'll say it. It has given a multi-year breakout. This stock, which I'm just sharing right now. That is Godrej CP. Okay, this is a perfect breakout trade. Just have a look here. I'll make this one, this one. Same pattern I have shown in PEL that day. After that, PEL ran 70 points in a single day. Again, similar type pattern I am showing you. That is known as inverse head and shoulder. This is most famous pattern in market. Let me just make it. It'll take 1 minute. This one. This one and the last. So simply it's like it, don't think like that you have to draw drawings in this chart or something like that. It's just the accumulation. Like these are the pattern which will tell you where accumulation is happening, where distribution is happening. So if I once I'll teach that session, I'll tell you how this pattern works and why they are working in the market. These patterns totally depend on psychology. So one of this pick is Godrej CP. So here this one we can expect first level will be 854, the recent thing one. And if it managed to break this level, then another one from here upside level we can simply see this level is 978 here. So these are the levels which I am mentioning. Currently it has given a breakout. If we'll see this one, it has given a breakout inverse head and shoulder pattern. So I'll, if someone wants to go like in cash long or something, so go to the CP, and another pick is ACC. Okay. One of the today's new sector has been launched, new indices that will be available for trading. This one, this is known as Nifty Financial Services Indices. Weekly expiries, future trading, everything is available in this one. Due to this, due to this indices, what I feel, I'll give a brief video on this indices on the weekend. But what I feel now, market will be much more volatile because some of the common stocks, which are in Bank Nifty, they are also in this financial sector indices. So I guess there can be little bit manipulation or something index management we can say. So once I'll watch out this indices, this one financial Nifty for 1 week, then I'll make a brief video on this one, because today it just opened and in the from the gap up opening it fell down and then little accumulation happened. So currently I cannot say what is happening here. Once I'll see the movement, the volume, how much people are interested in this indices, so once that I'll see, I'll make a video on that. Okay, before taking any trade, there is one advice: please consult your financial advisor. We won't be responsible for any profit and losses. Thank you.